Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to log into Vanguard and start saving for your future. Vanguard is a well-known investment platform that provides great options for investing in mutual funds, stocks, and retirement accounts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Vanguard's website. Type in the Vanguard website URL, www.vanguard.com. Press the Enter key to go to the site. Step 3. Locate the Login button. Once you are on the Vanguard homepage, look for the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 4. Enter your credentials. On the login screen, enter your Vanguard username and password in the designated fields. Double-check your information to make sure there are no typos. Step 5. Click Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your Vanguard account. Step 6. Use two-factor authentication, if applicable. If you have two-factor authentication set up for added security, you will receive a code via text message or email. Enter this code in the specified field and click Submit to continue. Step 7. Explore your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account overview. Here, you can view your investments, check your account balance, and access various investment tools and resources. Step 8. Start saving and investing. If you're new to investing, take some time to explore Vanguard's educational resources and tools that can help you make informed decisions about your savings and investments. You can start contributing to retirement accounts, mutual funds, or other investment options available on the platform. Remember, consistent saving and investing are key to building your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.